Hey, this is Pritam, and in this video, I will show you how to generate solar leads and solar appointments with the help of Facebook ads so that you don't have to pay any marketing agency like expensive fee like thousands of dollar monthly retainer, right? Let's start it. So, you are kind of thinking, who is this guy to teach Facebook ad campaign, right? I will show you one of my clients result. You can see we got about 161 solar leads, and you can see the cost per lead is $3, right, which is too low. People are getting $20, $30 cost per lead, but I am getting $3 cost per lead, right? You can see on this campaign also we got 4 leads and the cost per lead is $5. 21 solar leads and the cost per lead is $4, right? $3, $4, $5. So I'm the best guy to teach you how to run Facebook ads for solar company to get leads and appointments. Because you can see I am getting probably the lowest cost per lead, right? $3 cost per lead is nothing. So I will teach you like step by step how to run a profitable solar lead campaign, right? So first of all, you have to go to your Facebook ads manager. Then you have to click on create and click on leads, click on continue, click on manual leads campaign, then continue. You can choose the name like I will rename the ad campaign like SB solar campaign, solar booking campaign. SB means solar booking, right? And in the categories, you don't have to select anything. Just follow my step, what I am doing. You don't have to select A/B test, advantage, campaign budget. Just click on next. I am showing you like short trick, right? You don't have to confuse on any step. Just follow my step. Click on next. You can rename the ad set as per your name, right? So here you have to choose instant form, right? And you have to choose your Facebook page, right? And you don't have to put cost per result. If you want, you can put like $20 or $30, right? I don't want to put the cost per result right now. So this is the important thing. You have to choose a budget. Like I want to choose the budget like $25 per day, right? And scroll down a little bit, and you can see here. You can see location. You have to select the location, which location you want to target. I want to target only Illinois state, right? So I have to select Illinois, right? If you want to exclude a specific location, then you can type that name. Let's say I want to exclude Chicago, right? Then you can exclude Chicago from that list, and you can see add exclude, and you can type that name, right? So for now I don't want to exclude any of the area, right? So let's say if you want to target any type of zip codes, then you can upload the zip codes here, right? You can click on zip codes and you can type all the zip codes, right? And or you can upload all the zip codes here. You can upload a file also here in this section, right? So I don't have the zip codes right now. So I will target only the entire state, which is Illinois. And here you can choose the age group. Uh, in solar, I don't want to target the age, right? So I will increase the age limit to 30, right? 30 to 65, 64. Let's say 64, right? And scroll down. In more setting, all gender, that is correct. Detail targeting. This is the important thing. Most of the people search like homeowner and like they target multiple interest, right? I have tried multiple interest, guys. Believe me, the you don't have to target anything here. Just leave it alone and just broad targeting. You will get the maximum result. I am telling you, right? Don't touch it here, anything. Don't touch here, right? On the placement, you can select everything, by the way, for now. Everything, Reels, Facebook Reels, feed, everything, right? So click on next, and you have to upload an image or the video, right? Let me upload a image real quick. Let's say I want to run this campaign, right? Save $100, $200, or even 500 per month, right? For electricity. This is the campaign I want to run. Click on next. In the optimize section, you just disable the music right now. Just disable the music. Click on done. So here in the primary text, you need to select a primary text, right? So here is my primary text. You can see location. I have to change the location. So this will be our headline, save up to 80% on electricity. Then we will change the sign up call to action to learn more. You can see the call to action will be learn more. So the final ad will look like this. Let me show it to you. So the final ad will look like this. Illinois homeowner can now qualify for solar panel system, eliminating monthly electric bill. Thousands of Illinois. This is not showing right now. Okay. This is the picture, and at last the call to action: save up to 80% on electricity, learn more, right? So in this section, you have to add a instant form. If you don't know how to create a instant form, then I will show you step by step. So you just need to click on create form, and you can name like the form name, right? Here you can delete this headline greetings, remove the greeting. On the question, you can ask some question to provide email and full name and phone number, right? Email, full name, phone number, city, state, and zip code, right? These are the information, and in the description you can put get a free estimate, something like this. So in the privacy policy, if you are a Power Lab, then you can put power.com/privacy policy.html, right? In the link text, you don't have to put any link text. On the message for leads, you can put like congratulations, you are qualified for the you are qualified for the program, something like this. And in the description, you can put the last step is to book an appointment with us. Right? Click below. You can type click below to secure your spot, something like this. You can put book now. So in the link, you just need to put the Calendly link, and on the call to action text, you can simply type book now and hit on create form, right? The form is created successfully, and select that new form. And at last, just verify everything for now. Just verify step by step everything from the starting. All right. The ad will look like this on Facebook, and this is for Instagram. And after verifying all of the step, you can click on publish. 10 to 20 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, it will active, right? So just wait for 30 minutes, and the ad will active soon, right? So that's how you will run the solar ad campaign to generate solar leads and solar appointments, right? So if you want to hire me to run your campaign and set up everything from Facebook Ads Manager to Go High Level and your AI dialer and the JPR, so that you will get notified on your messages whenever a lead pop up, you will get notified through your text, SMS, and the email, right? That is the very important task to do, right? uh, and I will show you on another video how to do text SMS alert whenever a lead pop up. Also on email, you will get notified by the email whenever a lead came in through the Facebook ads, right? So if you want to hire me, just book a call with me. I will put the link under this video, and you can book a free strategy call with me.